Christmas times, I secretly accompanied you to school, with the money for a sandwich in my pocket and a cigarette from my dad. In a hurry I kissed you quickly among so many people on the bus, and you shook my hand blushing, happy to be with me. You lying on the grass with a book for a pillow, how many dreams set free, and the projects just for the two of us, and all those times that the two of us went to the seaside with our bikes, and then hidden in the sand we played at making love. With the crazy impulse, recklessness typical of age, breathing slowly and laughing happily at our naivety. You lying on the grass with a book for a pillow, how many dreams set free, and the projects just for the two of us. And now I wait and wait and wait some more, but you won't come. I seem to remember phrases and words, but it's not us. Remember I kissed you quickly among so many people up the street, and you shook my hand blushing, happy to be with me. Now there is silence in that street. Good night, my friend. And then onto the rooftops of the city, a concert at dawn for the two of us. Then when you return home at night, maybe you won't be there in my dreams anymore. And then I wake up and you're still there, and then I wake up in the city, alone in my thoughts.